morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on a second video review of this X8 Max smartwatch, and this time we're going to check on the menus and the different features of the wearable. Okay, so let's start. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, that's it here. This is your X8 smartwatch. Let's have a closer look on the design first. Okay, zinc alloy body here with the crown button and pill shape button on the bottom. Okay, brush finish available in different colors. Okay, here on the bottom part we have the sensor. Okay, flexible strap with force fitting attachment. Okay, so we already turned it on. So this is the watch face. We have at least several watch faces included in the wearable. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I like this one. 5. We have the classic Mickey Mouse. 6, 7, 8, 9. At least 9. I think at least 9 watch faces. 10, 11. So 11 watch faces, I think. Okay, if we counted correctly, I think it's 11 watch faces. So we have, as you can see earlier, we have split screen menu showing the latest apps here, used app. We also have a QR code here. Okay, so if you want to connect your app and you haven't lost your user manual, you can scan the QR code here and download the support app for this wearable. The support app for the smartwatch is the HR Wi-Fi app. Okay, from up to down. Okay, so here are the menus here. Okay, so we have a lot of functionalities here. Okay, we have, okay, so here I think this is for the Bluetooth call. Let's check for the sports function. We have here cycling, hiking, okay, skipping rope. Okay, at least we have at least 3. I think, how many sports do we have? Mode do we have? At least 4. We have walking, cycling, okay, and running. What else? So brightness display, we have this one, brightness display. Okay, cannot operate without a phone. We have, okay, remote control for photos. Let's look for the health app. Okay, this one. This one is a blood pressure monitoring. Okay, so let's try. Let's see if we can see the result. 120/70. Okay, I don't know if it's really accurate, but anyway, you can use it for reference only and not diagnosis. What's this? This one. Okay, calculator. So it has a built-in calculator. I think this one is weather. Okay, no data. You need to connect it first with your support app. Okay, so we have here different menu styles. Okay, so let's see. So gypsophilia, that one, the bubble type. Grid style. Okay, let's try. Okay, so that's it. So we have a grid style here. This is much easier to navigate. Okay, I'm not fan of that bubble style menu. Okay, we have here Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. This one, what's this? Okay, so this is the language. Keypad, message, notifications. This one is for contacts. We have sleep monitoring. I think this one is sedentary. This one is for the heart. Okay, let's check. Okay, very fast result. What else do we have here? Timer, alarm, anti-loss. We have flashlight. Okay, we also have music control here. The language. Let's go back. Okay, this one. What's this? Okay, this one, I think this is for the body temperature. Again, let's check. How do we activate it again? Okay, let's see. Okay, we have the result. What else do we have here? QR code. What else did we miss? Okay, this one I think is for the, okay, it's like a games for this one. What else? Yeah, let's go to the settings. So lift up, shock on. That's it for the vibration. That's it, nothing else. Calculator. This one, what's this? So grid style 2. Check. Also, this is the grid style 2. Let's go back again. Okay, automatic activity tracking. How do you access other options here? Okay, grid style 9. Grid style, let's pick this one. Okay, almost the same style. Okay, that's it for the features of the X8 Max smartwatch. And as you can see here, there's a little bit of delay. It's not that fast compared to other Series 6 or Series 7 smartwatch that we have. Anyway, you get what you pay for. It's very affordable, and it has a very good resolution, and it tells time. Okay, different options for watch faces. But for the smoothness of the operation, okay, it's really not that smooth. Okay, there's a little bit of lag, just a few delays, as well as the touch function here. Okay, so it's very common to affordable, okay, somewhat like medium type, okay, middle range, I mean, smartwatches. Okay, if you're looking for a premium copy for this one, okay, it might double the price, okay, with more options, I think. Okay, but if you want just a wearable that tells time and notifications, I think this one is okay. Very affordable, very cheap, less than $20 US, I think. Okay, let's turn it off. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Bye.